Hi, this is Craig at Countryside RV, online at csrvsales.com, and this is going to be a video walkthrough of a 2019 Prime Time Manufacturing Avenger ATI Model 27 RKS. I'm going to do the interior first, and then we'll do a quick swing around the exterior. This is also just going to be not a full demonstration of every feature, more just a tour so that you can get an idea of the layout and get a feel for what it would be like to stand in it. It's a rear kitchen model, so you've got this nice spacious rear kitchen. I will go back through a second time and open some drawers and everything. Right now I'm just going to give you the general layout. Bedroom. Bathroom. See, these are two recliners, and they are freestanding, so you can move them anywhere. It's a 6 cubic foot refrigerator, 3 shelves, and I believe I did the sink already. So you do have outlets all throughout. Booth dinette, and this is a jackknife sofa. Look at the USB charge ports in the cup holders. All right, I'm gonna look under the bed real quick, and then we'll do an outside walk around. I've got the exterior storage door open over there, so you can, that's what the light's coming through. All right. Outside shower and water hookups and dump valves. And there you have it. Again, this is a 2019 Prime Time Manufacturing Avenger ATI Model 27 RKS, available at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa, online at csrvsales.com. Thank you so much for watching.